Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect C# with Adobe, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect C# with Adobe, start by ensuring you have the necessary software installed. You need Visual Studio for C# development and an Adobe application like Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Photoshop. Open Visual Studio and create a new project. Select the type of application you want to build, either a console application or a Windows Forms application. Once the project is created, go to the Solution Explorer. Right-click on the project and select Add then Reference. In the Reference Manager, search for the Adobe SDK. If you don't have the Adobe SDK, download it from the Adobe Developer website. After downloading, install the SDK and ensure it is properly referenced in your project. Now, it's time to add using directives at the top of your C# file. Include the namespaces necessary for the Adobe functionalities you plan to implement. Next, initialize the Adobe application from your C# code. For Adobe Acrobat, you can create an instance of the application object. For Adobe Photoshop, create an instance of the Photoshop application object. Make sure to handle exceptions to manage any issues during the initialization. You can now call methods to manipulate Adobe documents or images. Consider creating functions in your C# code to encapsulate Adobe operations for better code organization. Test your connection by performing a simple operation, such as opening a document. Ensure to include proper cleanup code to close the Adobe application when you're done. Finally, debug your application to troubleshoot any issues that arise during the connection process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.